Not me. Tintin.
Not you?
Not me.
Here's the artist at work.
Yeah.
He's painting his bird cage. Hi, B.
What a dork.
You're doing a good job.
I think you're a dork.
What's dork mean? I don't even know what it means.
Nerd.
Oh, you're doing a good job. Remember what I told you. Make sure
Shut up.
make sure they're closed properly. You don't kiss a boy, you're a boy.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that make you gay if you do that.
You gonna put this on?
Well, maybe if you're doing a good job.
Oh, what about the
Huh?
gay?
No, you don't talk about it like that. That's not a.
No, on YouTube. That's what
No, you don't say that. You don't.
That's what
You
I'm
don't.
telling you. That's what
Well, I didn't say anything wrong. If you kiss a boy, that make you gay. So you don't. That's not good. Huh? I know you're not. Good job.
Okay,
It's gonna be. Hey, that's gonna be nice.
It's gonna look like a big watermelon.
No, well, maybe that's what you like.
I know I like it.
No?
It tastes so good. Yes, it came out pink. I didn't want it red.
You want it red?
No, I wanted it a little pink. I didn't want it red.
Yeah, but right now it's gonna be.
What?
You can figure out what it is? I open the light. It's I put it on timer like I did to your house.
Get in here.
Why?
That's a sense of just get in. Get in your little workshop. It's not my workshop, it's yours. When I work, I like it to be dark.
No, you cannot work in the dark. You have to see what you're doing. No, if I never would able to work in the dark.
I like it dark.
Well, I'm gonna have to stop the painting if you close all the light because we cannot take pictures.
Yeah, see, I like it dark like this.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the.
Stop.
Let me look at me. Oh, what? The artist gonna.